Canseco Mary Rose Trinidad. Congratulations to our awardees and to the parents. To the school officials, thank you very much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm round of applause to all our awardees for school year 2024-2025. You may take your seats. Also honor the people who have been your first teachers, your strongest supporters, and your constant supporters. Your parents and guardians. Philippines is not only your success, but also theirs. So you graduates, kindly stand up, approach your parents or guardians, and offer them your simple gift of appreciation.
As a result, the walls and halls, the nooks and crannies of our school, which for a time remained ghostly quiet, came alive again.
Pinag-iriwan po natin ngayong araw ng graduation, alalahanin po natin yung mga natagyan po natin na aral mula sa ating mga magulang. Meron din po tayong mga relationship na nabuo sa ating kapwa sa school. At meron din mga natutunan tayo sa loob ng eskwelahan sa ating mga guro. Hindi kaya na po kayo na pasalamatan natin ang mga pamilya, kaibigan at mga guro po natin. Talapakan po natin sila.
Set the world ablaze with all your glory and sparkle. We are confident that you will continue to achieve success in whatever paths you choose. Simply continue to believe in yourselves, just as we believe in all of you. Remember, you are after all, SDIers, you are all made to be more.